Hello everyone. Today we're going to explore a modern chicken farm. It's not the familiar images of chickens running free in a garden, but a place that is incredibly scientific and professional, where the chickens are given the best care to bring us clean and safe food. The journey of raising chickens begins with newborn chicks. Look at them. They are as small as white cotton balls. The sight of chicks learning to walk and eat is so adorable. They are raised in warm cages with heated systems and friendly lighting, helping them grow healthy and active. The chicks' food is scientifically prepared, nutritious, and safe. Drinking water is always clean and automatically supplied, helping the chicks to develop optimally. As they grow up each day, the chicks will live in a clean and safe environment, ready to enter the next stage of their life. When the chicks are grown and healthy, they will be moved to their own chicken coops with a system of ventilation and lighting that is suitable for them. Here, they will be provided with automatic feeding and drinking systems to ensure the chickens have enough nutrition to develop and lay eggs. The coop system is scientifically designed, creating conditions that are airy, clean, and comfortable for chickens to live and lay eggs. The chickens are constantly monitored for their health by a team of professional veterinarians, ensuring they are healthy and free from disease. The images of hens laying eggs show the healthy development of the chicken flock. The automated egg harvesting system helps to ensure hygiene and high egg quality. The eggs are carefully checked and sorted before being stored in a cool environment, helping to preserve their flavor and nutrients for consumers. The farm always puts the chickens' welfare first, caring for them with high humanitarianism. Besides automatic feeding and drinking systems, they are also given a well-ventilated, clean, and friendly lighting environment. The chickens are checked for health regularly and are cared for by a team of professional veterinarians. The farm always applies modern chicken raising techniques to help chickens develop to their best. The journey of raising chickens here is not just about producing food, but also about respect for animals. The farm always strives to bring chickens the best possible living environment. From newborn chicks to mature chickens, all are cared for with diligence and professionalism. This modern chicken farm is a testament to the development of the agricultural industry, combining science and technology to bring us safe and high-quality food. They always put the chickens' welfare first, ensuring they are healthy and happy. Let's respect and appreciate the efforts of those who raise chickens to bring us delicious and safe food.